Introducing heterogeneous difference and differences. Difference and difference models are used to estimate the average treatment effect on the treated from observational panel data or repeated cross-sectional data. In heterogeneous DID, we allow the treatment effect to vary over time and across cohorts. Now, in Stata 18, we can fit heterogeneous DID models using the new HDID regress and XTHDID regress commands. Select an estimator and specify your outcome model and your treatment model. Then select your grouping or cohort variable and your time variable. Use post-estimation command estat-atet-plot to visualize the evolution of ATETs for each cohort, and estat-aggregation to aggregate the ATETs within cohort, time, and exposure to treatment. Learn more at stata.com.